Today we are going to explore the Louvre Museum in Abu Dhabi. It is one of the major cultural institutions of the United Arab Emirates. Louvre Museum Abu Dhabi is a branch of the world-renowned Louvre Museum in Paris, and it was established as part of an agreement between France and the United Arab Emirates to promote cultural exchange and cooperation. The Louvre Abu Dhabi is located on Saadiyat Island. The museum is easily accessible from Abu Dhabi city through the Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan highway. The Mona Lisa is one of the defining works of art housed at the Louvre Museum, which remains a must-see destination for art lovers. It is the home to an extraordinary collection of sculptures and paintings, representing thousands of years of human civilization and artistic achievement. The Louvre's collection of sculptures is vast, with works spanning from ancient Egypt to modern times. The sculptures are housed in various galleries, particularly in the sculpture department of the museum, which is one of its most important sections. The collection includes both classical antiquities and Renaissance masterpieces, among others. The sculptures displayed in the Louvre are made from various materials, including marble, bronze, wood, and ivory. Marble is a common choice for Greek and Roman artists, with notable works like the Venus de Milo. The museum also showcases numerous bronze statues from the Hellenistic period and Renaissance bronze reliefs. Additionally, some medieval sculptures, especially those representing religious figures, were crafted from wood and ivory. The sculptures at the Louvre are distinguished not only by their artistic excellence, but also by their historical diversity, ranging from ancient civilizations to the modern period. The Louvre is equally renowned for its collection of paintings, which spans a vast array of periods, styles, and artists. Its works are not only beautiful examples of technical mastery, it also offers deep insight into the history, culture, and ideas of their times. The painting department of the Louvre contains works from the Middle Ages to the 19th century. There are roughly 7,500 paintings in Louvre's collections across its various galleries. This includes works from European, Near Eastern, and Islamic traditions, among others. In addition, the museum's collections are constantly changing with new acquisitions, loans, and exhibitions. The Louvre Abu Dhabi was designed by the French architect Jean Nouvel. The museum is located by the sea and offers stunning views of the waterfront. Its design blends with the natural surroundings, featuring calm waters and green spaces where visitors can walk and enjoy the outdoors. The museum features a variety of dining options, including cafes and restaurants that offer both local and international cuisine. There are also spaces where visitors can sit and enjoy a drink or snack while overlooking the water. Overall, the Louvre Abu Dhabi is not just a museum. It is a cultural destination. There are many new constructions going on nearby the museum, and the Saadiyat Island is going to be the major tourist destination in the region. Thanks for watching and wait for another video.